Just kidding. Okay, this might take a little bit of a long time. That's it. I have still way more fidgets to go with, and why is there dried up plate? Whatever. I still have way more fidgets to go with, so maybe there should be a little bit of a part 2. But these are what I can scoop in right now. But maybe I could scoop in some more. Or maybe just one more. This is my favorite fidget of all. So much cool features of it. And I'll show you them. All of them. I like that they all have like a different kind of texture. You might not really see this, but they all have like weird textures and decorations. You can remove those little lights. Yeah, they're hard putting back in. Very easy to remove, as you see there, but very hard to put back in. But they're very nice. Let me try them out. Just one more. There we go. As you see, they're all over the moon. But this is the kind. I like that it's a fidget spinner, but it's really big. Sometimes it hurts me. And boom. And boom. And oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.